Hello friends, today in this video we will learn how to use AutoCreate add-on to generate certificates automatically. AutoCreate is an add-on through which we can create certificates and send to the participants. For this we require three things. First of all, a database, or we can say a list of participants in the Excel sheet or a spreadsheet. Second, the template for certificate uh, which is required to create a certificate. And secondly, we have to insert AutoCreate add-on into our spreadsheet. For this, let us click on Google. I click on Gmail, and then I go to my Google Drive. For this purpose, suppose I create a new Google form. AutoCreate certificate, I rename it AutoCreate certificate. I need some, I can add some description here, which is optional. For certificate sending, we must require an email. If I click here, we have to collect email addresses. Then we see that email address is automatically opened. Now we have some basic information such as name of participant. It will be short answer type question, and we make required it. Next, we copy it, and suppose we need university name. We can add as many fields we required. Suppose I need these two fields. Then we click on response button. Currently we have no response as no one has responded. And then we go to this plus symbol. This is a spreadsheet symbol, and we click on this create spreadsheet. We will got this message, create a new spreadsheet. We will click. Then a new spreadsheet will be generated. As we can see, what the fields we have entered in our Google Forms, they are here: email address, name of participant, and university name. Now the most important option is here. We have to go on add-ons. As we have, I have already installed the add-on AutoCreate here, so you can see here. But when we have to use it first time, we have to get it from Google Suite. So we have to click on get add-ons. Then we will search here AutoCreate. And from here you can easily install it. As I already installed, it is showing uninstalled. So we have to first insert the add-on AutoCreate. Now I once again go to it, I click on launch. It is working. It is showing no merge job set up yet. Yes, we will set up a new job. Job name, suppose participants certificate. Then I click on next. Now we have to choose a template. We can create it, or if we have already created some, then we can use it. For this, let us go on Google Slides. Google Slides. Go to Google Slides. We can choose any template, but if we have any already created template, we can also use that. Suppose currently I am using this. I made some changes here. This setting is made for Certify EM. I remove it. This is certificate of appreciation. This is to certify that all this matter will be same for all the participants, but name and institution name will be different. So let us click on, I click here, text, then we enter these two less than and two greater than sign, in which we write name, we can set it fonts. Suppose I chooses Times New Roman. We can bold it, increase its size. Now if you want to add some more field, such as if I add here from institute, as it is already said, it is having some issues. Name and institute I have added. Institute, there is some spelling mistake. I have added two match fields and we will use them. And suppose I name it as autocrat. Now we go there and we select the template from our drive. As we can see there, autocrat is here. It is set up. Now I click on next. Now third step is map source data to template. We have to match the data from the certificate template. Suppose as name, which will be mapped from name of the participants. Institute name is mapped from university name. Now I click on next. Now these are file settings. We can use the file settings for the sending by names the certificate. For this we have to add a tag. If I click on this blue line, I can use any of the tag here. For whom we have to send the certificate, we have to send the certificate to the participant. So I click on this. As I click, this is copied and I can paste it, and we can write certificate. Which type of certificate we want to send? As a Google slide, as we have created in Google slide, or we can send as PDF. I click on PDF, then I move on to next. Choose destination folder. We can choose folder. It will be connected as to our drive. Suppose I choose it. I choose it. I choose this. We can then use from here. I click on next. Add dynamic folder reference, not necessary, compulsory. Skip. We can skip this also. Share docs and send emails. Yes, we have to share this certificate. As soon as someone fills the Google form, he will receive the certificate immediately. Allow collaborator to reshare, send form generic to reply. It is not currently necessary. The main part is this. You can use text to whom we have to send the certificate. We have to send the certificate to email address. We have copy from here and then paste it here. Now we make some subject. Type in subject your certificate. We can write some anything here. Suppose I write congratulations. Anything you want to add, you can add it. Then I click on next. Add remove job triggers. We have to click yes here. You must enable yes. Then I click on save. Now we can see these options. Participant certificate is our job name, and we have to run it from here. If I want to edit, then I click on here. If I want to preview it, then I can click here. If I want to delete it, I can click here. Suppose I want to run it. Merge sequence is started. We can see that these new fields are added to our spreadsheet after running the job. Now I go back to Google form, and I preview it and I fill it with my details. Dr. Sunil Kumar. SVSU Meerut. Then I click on submit. Your response has been recorded. Then I again go back to this. We can see that as I have responded, all the details are here. Merge ID is this, document is this, certificate is this, and document successfully created, and document successfully PDF created. So all the options are here. If I go to my email ID, then I have received a mail, your certificate, and I click on this. We have received by my name, and this is as because I have not made properly setting, as it is simply just a demonstration. So friends, in this way we can create certificates using AutoCreate add-on. This is I like this because it is based on mail merging process. Close this. Once again I repeat the steps. I create a Google form and then open the spreadsheet of responses. Then I have to go on add-ons. If we don't have AutoCreate add-on, then we have to get it from the Google Suite by click on get add-ons. After that I have to launch. It is launching. Then this is the existing job. If you want to create new job, then generate new job. Basically I am repeating all the process, and suppose I name it AutoCreate. Click on next. We can choose any template from our drive. Suppose I use this currently. Then I click on next. Then this is the most important part of this system: map source data to template. Because our source data is what we have received from the participant through Google form, we have to match that what we have entered into our template. For this, all the system are here, and we have to match the name with what we can choose from here. The user will enter all these things: email, name of participant, university date. So name must be matched with the name of the participant. Similarly, institute must be matched with the university name. Then I click on next. File name, suppose I choose name of participant here. I click on this, then I paste Google, and which type of file we need PDF. Then we can click on next. Share docs and send email. This is compulsory because if we don't enable this, then a document will not be shared, but they have created. And we have to enter here email address, paste, type in subject whatever we can write, and click on next. Then it is also compulsory run on form trigger, and we have to save this. So in this way we can create our certificates by using AutoCreate. So friends, I hope you will learn this, and you must apply in your teaching learning process. Thank you very much.